Let me ask you something. How often do you hit send on that perfectly crafted email campaign only to hear crickets? If your answer is too often, there's a good chance your emails are sneaking off to Spamville instead of landing in your customers' inboxes. Don't worry, I'm here to help you rescue those emails and get them exactly where they belong, in your audience's main inbox. So let's dive into the spam trap and learn how to stay clear out of it. Starting with a fresh domain? Hey yo, hold up! You can't just go all out with a massive campaign on day one. ESPs want to see you as a trusted sender, they don't know you just yet. Warm up your domain by gradually increasing your email send volume. Think of it like building up trust in a relationship. Start slow, nurture it, and soon ESPs will love you as much as your customers do. On top of that, Omnisend helps you warm up your new domain automatically. Once you add your new domain, you will be presented with an option to automatically warm up your new domain by gradually increasing the send count for you. Learn more about this feature with the video linked below. Speaking of custom domains, you should set up one. Behind the scenes, authentication protocols like SPF, DKIM, and DMARC are doing their thing. Think of these like digital IDs for your emails. Set them up to reassure ESPs you're legit. If that sounds like tech jargon overload, don't sweat it. We've got guides for you in the description to get you up and running in no time. Alright, quick reality check. Did your subscribers actually sign up for your emails? If you're buying contact lists or borrowing contacts from good quality contactlists.info.xyz.net, I hope it's not a real site, just stop, you're embarrassing both of us. It's the fastest way to the spam folder. Build your subscriber list legitimately, and if you're serious about building a high quality contact list, make sure to use double opt-in to really solidify the handshake. Now, spam filters are like overprotective parents. Any hint of shady vibes, think all caps subject lines or an overload of exclamation points, and they'll block your email faster than you can say free stuff! Instead, write clean, engaging, and useful content. And no more 15 exclamation marks, alright? One will do. One will do. Alright, let's face it, some subscribers ghost you. If someone hasn't opened your emails in 6 months, give them one last chance with a re-engagement campaign. If they don't respond, it's time to... Idina Menzel, what is it time for? Yeah, that's right, it's time to let it go. I have no regrets. Keeping a clean, active list is better than clinging to a bloated one that hurts your sender reputation. It's much more beneficial to send to a small bunch of active and engaged contacts rather than blasting to thousands of contacts in the hopes that one of them accidentally places an order. Alright, that's your crash course in email deliverability. Keep those inboxes happy by staying consistent, transparent, and helpful. Alright, now this is your part. Yeah,
right. What am I reading?
When you're ready to give it a shot, you know, I'm gonna...
Yeah, I think I got it. All right. Ready to give it a shot? Start free with Omnisend today and take control of your email game. That was all right?
Nice. Oh my god, you're a natural, dude.
No, I'm not.